Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And I just jumped out of my bed. What's the hours? 5 p.m. I stick to the schedule. My phone goes off and I listen to it and I get up. Yeah, and I start my my day with stretching. It helps me so much to be more energetic. And also after this one, I also going to wash up or splash my face with some cold water to keep my face in alert. Yeah, and I also have to prepare for my breakfast for today because I really often bring breakfast out of place to my workplace. So for instance, I cook omelette and then chicken noodle. Yeah. And then the most important, I write down or I review for the daily activity, the priority for today, and to keeps me in the direction that I already write down before. That is important, guys. And also before I moving work, I really often to tidy up my room to keep everything is in the order and clean the environment because it makes me feel better and I'm really happy with the clean area. Yeah, I think most of people like it. So this one, I prefer a container or a pocket because I'm going to do shopping for today. I'm going to have a shop. I'm going to buy vegetables, meat, egg, and some for the daily need. So stick to my channel. Okay. Yeah, and now I'm heading to the grocery store. For right now, I'm walking to the grocery store, but you also witness this is very morning, guys. But it doesn't matter. But it's not matter for me. I'm feeling alright because I very often start my day with this morning. I also sometimes take his words in this morning and it's not matter for me. And now I succeed to get my money, my currency from the bank, from ATM. It's not matter as well because for me to use digital money in the grocery store, but most of them ask for currency cash. Yeah, so so that's why I try to get my money from ATM first before I go to the grocery store. Let's head over to the grocery store. Wow. Well, guys, this morning it's a little bit busy. I witness people are coming out from the grocery store, which means they are having a good day. They do shopping, and it's a good information to inform you that they have a currency to compare to the stock. Look at the stairs. I need to go out from the stairs a little bit because it's not matter for me to climb the stairs up because it trained my body to keep moving and give me more energy. Yeah. I fairly often buy banana from this one. Okay. Papa, satu. Yeah. Well, look at this bananas. There's look very nice. Wow, they most of them are green, but those already can eat. And you could also see the view. Eyewitness people are easy to prepare for their stuff to sell. And for also for right now, this guy is selling banana. This banana seem to be very nice, and the banana seem a little bit green, but it has to be ready to eat for right now. Because most of them are green in color, and also there is this one. I've only often to buy an ordinary banana. Wow, and then I'm going to get eggs to buy. Wow, it seems this guy is choosing the best egg, but I'm not sure can. Because I don't even know how to choose it from the looks. I can go inside of the egg. And also, guys, after I witnessed my vlog while I at the grocery store, I a little bit felt shy. I didn't know why, and that was the second times I visit and doing vlog over there. Once I was really energetic to capture everything around of the grocery store, even the shopkeeper are really thunderstruck or gave me a stare like wow. Just kidding, that they were. And so I also already write down what matter and what things that I improve in upcoming vlog. Yeah, because I have never give up for it. I have to pursue it till I get what I want. Yeah, I think so. That's all for today, guys. So later I will take you to the grocery store to fulfill my checklist. Okay, thank you.